Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the Xbox 360 and wait 60 seconds so residual charge dissipates. While it sits, grab a small Phillips, a flat tool, a flashlight, and a soft cloth so you won't scratch parts. If the tray is jammed, use the manual eject pinhole gently. This reveals whether it's a mechanical jam. Once done, inspect the front for obstructions and note whether the tray moves at all when pressing eject, because that tells you whether to focus on gears. Once powered down and tools ready, remove the outer shell screws and lift the top. Do this slowly so clips don't snap. Expose the DVD drive and visually inspect the belt and gear train. A loose belt or stripped gear teeth stop motion, while a stuck spindle or warped tray edge causes binding. Gently spin the motor with a finger to feel resistance and use a flashlight to find lodged debris. If you see a broken plastic gear, note its position before removing anything else. Reinstall or replace any damaged gears or belt and realign the tray so teeth mesh smoothly. Use a tiny dab of plastic-safe grease on pivot points to reduce friction. Reassemble the case carefully, reconnect power, and test eject with no disc. This isolates mechanical issues from laser or sensor faults. If the tray still won't open, try swapping the entire drive assembly or using a known good donor drive. This quick troubleshooting step distinguishes between a drive fault and a console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.